Hi, my name is Bob. In this video we're going to show you how to use the S-CAPEPOD Evacuation Sheet, which is positioned underneath this anti-decubitus mattress. We're going to show you several steps which are key to make sure that you can do an evacuation as safe as possible, even when you use these type of mattresses. So before you start the evacuation, it is always important to keep talking to the patient and tell them what you're going to do. Step 1. Turn off the air pump. Step 2. Remove the fitted sheet. Turn on transport mode and remove the air valve. Step 3. The air mattress is fixated to the bed frame with buckles. Release all of them. On this mattress there are 8 buckles that you need to release. Step 4. Lower down the bed rails. Step 5. Now we're going to start the evacuation. Always make sure that you're with 2 people before doing the evacuation. Lift up the mattress and follow the yellow line. Connect the flaps as tight as possible. Step 6. Put the bed in the lowest position. Step 7. Grab the pulling straps on the feet end. And the pulling straps on the head end. Step 8. Remove the air pump. Step 9. Put the bed in the most favorable position. Step 10. Turn the patient 90 degrees on the bed frame. Now make sure that the patient's bottom is over the edge of the bed frame. Now lower and you're ready to go. Step 11. When you need to do a horizontal evacuation, you can ask your colleague for assistance. Step 12. When you need to do the horizontal evacuation by yourself, you can always stand inside the pulling strap, put it around your hip, and just use your legs to do the horizontal evacuation. Thanks for watching another episode of Escape TV. In case you want to download the transcript for training purposes, you can download it on the page below. It's available in several languages. For now, again, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.